Hey everybody, this is Steve, and together I believe we can lead better, more effective ministry. Youth and young adult ministry workers across the church are working hard, writing sessions from scratch, creating new resources, planning lock-ins or district retreats, coordinating trips. The list seems endless. And parents are working hard to make the faith a priority at home. This is all important yet difficult work, and it's even more exhausting when it feels like you're on your own. But it doesn't have to be this way. We believe you should be able to depend on the church to equip you with the tools you need to lead formative and Christ-centered ministry. We believe that all ministries can be united and strengthened by a common vision and a common purpose as we all make our way to Christ together. That's why we launched the Y2AM Ministry Plan last summer. The Y2AM Ministry Plan offers comprehensive youth and young adult ministry resources for a full ministry year, from September through May. It gives clergy and lay workers the tools they need to lead powerful, transformative, and Christ-centered ministry for all the youth and young adults in their care. And it gives families the tools to build on the great work of the parish in the home, so that our ministry experience across multiple ages and across multiple programs can be unified and strengthened, so that we can all walk together as one body, as the church. Last year's ministry plan focused on the fruit of the Spirit and offered wonderful guidance to help young people connect with the powerful words St. Paul wrote in his letter to the Galatians. The theme for the 2018-2019 ministry year is a life of offering, and it will give young people the tools they need to offer their lives to God as faithful Orthodox Christians, to live liturgically, not just on Sunday, but each and every day. It's a 9-month plan designed to help young people not simply learn facts about the faith, but to have formative experiences that will help shape their hearts and deepen their love for Christ and His church. This year's Y2AM Ministry Plan is divided into 3 modules. Module 1, covering September, October, and November, focuses on preparing to connect with God. We'll explore what it means to offer our talents, our struggles, and even our conflicts to God. Module 2, covering December, January, and February, focuses on connecting with God. We'll explore prayer, the story of the gospel, and the sacrifice that we offer to God in the liturgy. Module 3, covering March, April, and May, focuses on living connected to God each and every day. We'll explore sharing our gifts, the gospel, and ultimately our entire lives with others as we go forth into the world ready to live liturgically, to live a life of offering each and every day. The Y2AM Ministry Plan offers a comprehensive set of resources laid out week by week and month by month to help you lead transformational ministry. And using the Y2AM Ministry Plan is easy. All you have to do is download the plan, available as a free PDF, find the relevant week or month, and use it with your parish or family. The Y2AM Ministry Plan contains 9 months, or 36 weeks, of carefully designed youth ministry for Goya and Joy youth groups, as well as 9 monthly sessions for young adults and OCF groups. And since good ministry needs to be reinforced at home, we've prepared 9 monthly resources for families, with prayers and nightly devotions. Whether you use it at home or in the parish, the Y2AM Ministry Plan can help you lead effective and transformative ministry for all the young people in your care. To download this free resource, please visit y2am.org/ministryplan. The Y2AM Ministry Plan will be available as a free download starting on July 5th. Please spread the word to anyone you know who works in ministry, and when you use it, let us know what you think. Because we want to keep refining, to keep improving, to keep giving you the best possible support as you lead Christ-centered, kingdom-oriented ministry in your homes and parishes. May God bless you and help you to do this important work faithfully and effectively. Thanks for making us a part of your journey to Christ and His kingdom.